10 minutes to sunset. Sunset party will be required in 05 minutes time.
Marching in now is the guard contingent of 15 sailors, led by the petty officer of the day.
Sunset party! Gerak dulu! Rest! Object! Sunset party! Tenang di! Wih!
Five minutes to sunset. Sunset party close up, hence not in the rig of the day to clear the upper deck.
Sunset party! Ready! Down!
Marching in now is the officer of the day who will be taking charge of the sunset proceeding.
Sunset party! Salam di! Hei!
The petty officer of the day has just reported to the officer of the day that the guard and sunset party are formed up and ready for sunset. The second part of the ceremony is where we will observe the lowering of the ensigns or naval flags. While the flags are lowered, a solemn rendition of the bugle call retreat will be played. While we are waiting for the sunset, we would like to turn your attention to the flags and pennants involved in the ceremony. There are 3 flags to be lowered during the ceremony. The state flag, which we call the jack, is located at the forward part of the ship. If you turn your attention to the starboard side of the mast, which is on the right, you will see a triangular shaped flag with yellow and green horizontal stripes, known as the preparative pennant. The preparative pennant will be dipped once, 1 minute prior to sunset, and will be lowered to 3/4 positions at sunset. Finally, the flag that is flown at the stern or back of the ship is known as the Harbour Ensign. We are now waiting for the call for 1 minute to sunset.
1 minute to sunset.
Sunset party, ready, go!
Sunset.
Fight the still. Sunset party, 放马分队，放马，阵脚到。Carry on. Sunset party, 入手阵脚到。Sunset party, 三郎的 free.
The sunset party will now follow the Harbour Ensign, after which the officer of the day will march off the guard and sunset party.
Sunset party, ready, go! Sunset party, kaki dan ke kanan. Boom, sing!